Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive USDT on Exodus wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Exodus wallet, then go to your wallet, which is on the bottom left corner, this little circle. So this is your wallet, and to receive USDT or any other coins, you have to tap on it on this list. And if you don't see a coin on the list that you would like to receive, just tap on the add more icon, and it's the list of all the cryptos available. It's going to appear, and on this list, if you tap on this little switch, it's going to turn on and you will see the coin on your quick access list here. So to receive USDT, you just have to tap on it, and it's going to open up the USDT page. Here you can see the price, your balance, the 24-hour price change, 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. And to receive, you just have to tap on this arrow on the top right corner, which is pointing down, which means that it's a receive icon. Then you have to accept the terms, and you will automatically receive your USDT QR code and address. And with this QR code and address, you can receive USDT in your Exodus wallet. It's very easy. You can either scan the QR code or copy and paste the address. So yeah, or you can just use the share icon, which is on the bottom of the screen, to share your QR code on social media or any other platforms to receive USDT this way. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.